Can you solve the puzzles that have stumped the internet for years?
I just pushed it through.
Starting with the easiest puzzle where all you have to do is remove this pyramid, and leveling up to the hardest puzzle, that's a handheld escape room. So level 1 is called Pyramid Cage, and the goal is to free the pyramid within 1 minute.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, let me cook. The objective is to make it into a square. Come on, bro. You have to get in a certain position.
The person helping me is Soup Timmy, a professional Rubik's Cuber. With his puzzle knowledge, maybe I'll actually stand a chance of getting to level 100.
There we go. Yeah.
There we go.
35.
How did you know that?
Because in Rubik's Cubes, we have a puzzle called a pyramid. If you turn a triangle, you can't fit it. So objective is just turn it into a square.
Coming up next is the level 10 Lament puzzle.
The goal here is to turn this cube into a cross shape. And we have a limit of 5 minutes. Starting now. Oh, there's something in there.
A snake. There's like a door here. I assume this opens up.
So how do you open it up?
That's the question we're trying to figure out right now. Is there like a hint we can get, man?
Yes, there is, because with each successful solve, we'll get a hint we can use towards any puzzle. But the smart thing to do would be to save up all of our hints to use for the final level 100 puzzle.
I don't want to use the hints on this simple one.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Oh, something moved.
Okay.
Something moved there. Oh, there we go.
Whoa, let's go.
Wow, that was so simple. Once I figured it out.
I get it now. Okay.
We're now on level 20, and this is a 10 penny puzzle. The goal here is insert 10 pennies into the large opening. We got 10 minutes for this.
10 minutes? Wait.
Wait, we got 9 here. Okay, let's just try putting the 10th one in. No, it doesn't fit.
Right, let me cook. I solved it.
What? Really?
Yeah, it's easy.
See if you can do it again, because I think you just got lucky, bro.
No, I did not get lucky. I did it again.
But it's so easy.
I think the trick was because the puzzle came out like 9. What I saw was you make an X.
X is save space? Is that
yeah,
what?
X is save the space.
I don't know what else to say. This was incredibly easy. Maybe we're just smart.
Let's see if the other puzzles prove that.
But the later puzzles only proved that we were a lot dumber than we thought.
We give up.
The goal here is to remove the square ring from the X, and we have 15 minutes starting now.
The first thing I saw is you can separate these two. You see how there's like a gap here, right, Haofu?
A gap, yeah.
But the question is, how do we separate it?
You know, in level 10, the Lament puzzle, you kind of just like move it a different way and it opens. Maybe we move up and down, or left and right, or maybe we move diagonal, or maybe we give it a little spin. Oh, shoot. Wait, how did that work? Oh, there's like wood inserts here. So like no matter how I jerk it, it doesn't separate. But when you spin it, they go outwards, you know? Dude, we're geniuses. This is level 40, and this puzzle looks pretty different. It's called the Balancing Act. And the objective here is to balance all 6 nails on the head of 1 nail. Okay. And we have 20 minutes.
Wait, can 3 fit on here?
No, only 2 nails fit.
Okay, we got 2.
Wait. Put some weight on top. 1 nail on each side. Oh, what if we do this and then stick one through?
Yeah.
Stick some things through?
I gotta call it quits to this one.
What do you mean you call it quits, bro? We barely started.
After trying everything, we finally figured out a potential solution.
Oh, is that the answer?
No, you have to balance on the head of the nail.
This is the head of the nail.
What if we do it like this?
Oh, we did it. Let's go, we balance it.
That's not the solution.
What's the solution supposed to be?
Oh my goodness, what the freak?
Let's see what we were supposed to do. See, this is so much more complicated. Sometimes like people just need to think simpler. Oh, wow.
So that's the real solution.
I feel like we probably wouldn't have gotten to this point.
There's no way. Follow the instructions, so I think that gives us a hint.
Yeah, one more hint. This is level 50. It's called Man the Torpedo. And the objective is to take out the torpedo in the center. And the time limit is 30 minutes. I feel like there's certain angles that we have to twist it at. Just like the first one. We're learning. See, we're learning. Oh! I just pushed it through.
It's kind of like the restroom. You gotta push. You gotta push. Maybe we should push it back in and then push it out another angle.
Okay, sure. We gotta take it in steps. Once we get one through, I can get the other one through.
Puzzle's making me sleepy.
Stop slacking, bro. This is a definition of having someone else do your homework. Oh! There we go. There we go.
10 minutes.
I did the homework on this one. This is level 60, the Eureka.
What is Eureka mean?
Eureka!
Never heard of that.
So the goal of this puzzle is to remove the ring. And we have a 45-minute time limit. I think the way to start puzzles that I've learned is the best is to start with all the moving pieces. We can pull it this way, but then it gets stuck. We can put the ring through here.
Can you move the circles in here?
Oh yeah, we can move the circle in here, and then we can move the balls through the circle. So, what are we thinking?
I mean, I'm bad with ropes. I had trouble tying my shoes when I was younger.
You asked me how to tie your shoes yesterday. How do we get out of this?
If headphones tangled was a puzzle.
Bro, you tangled it more!
After spending 5 minutes untangling the puzzle, we reset back to square one.
Here's what we do. We don't tangle it. Circle through.
And bring up.
Yeah, bring it up. And then ball here.
Oh,
And this. Through. And through. Does that work?
Oh, we got it.
Wow, we get another hint for the final puzzle because the
go.
final puzzle is gonna be really, really hard. Okay, on to the next level. This is level 70, the Churchill cigar. The objective here is to remove this wooden cigar from the bottle. It's hard because there's a bolt preventing it from coming out, and there's this little rod also preventing it from coming out. The time limit is 1 hour.
This is pretty obvious, I think. There's a screw, there's a ball. You have to unscrew this, so why don't you push the ball here and unscrew it like this? Look, it's unscrewed.
Oh,
You see it? You see it? Yeah. Just do this.
While you're unscrewing that, how do we take the pin out of the cigar?
Well, I haven't thought about that yet, but let's think about this one first.
I imagine this video to be much harder. I was prepared to spend days in this room. Is that out? Come on, man. Oh, there we
just
go.
shaked it.
Yeah. Sometimes force is all you need. We got the nut out. We just gotta take the bolt out. There we go. Got the bolt out. Now we just kind of gotta like shake it.
Yeah.
It's getting stuck there.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. There we go.
Oh.
Woo! The taste of success. This is level 80. It's called the Cryptex, and it just came in this like special packaging. And I've been told that every part of this packaging can be used to solve the puzzle.
Oh, butterflies, sunshines, and flowers.
It says, "Thank you for being in my life. May the joy and happiness around you today and always." Oh. Whoa. Dearest Hafu, your videos are so fun and enlightening. Whenever I get the post notification, it just brightens my day and makes all my problems feel minuscule.
The rest of the letter was super sweet and heartwarming, but something makes me think that the clue is hidden within the letter. If you want to read it for yourself and try to solve it before I do, you can pause the video.
Who wrote this?
I don't know.
Your biggest fan?
My
Yeah,
biggest
I guess.
fan. So on this puzzle, we have 6 tiles with 26 letters each. That should be over 300 million possible combinations. So we have to find some clues. So minuscule. Like, not many people say makes my problems feel minuscule. I feel like that's a like intentional word there. Wait. I've seen some lock picking videos where like you can kind of hear a click when it turns to the right combination. No.
Maybe the biggest fan is the answer.
There's over 5.7 million fans. Are you thinking or are you sleeping?
After hitting a dead end, we decided to use our last resort.
All right. Can we get a hint?
A dictionary would help.
No.
Google Hafu in dictionary.
No.
We should use our second image.
Yeah, let's use another one.
Let's
Give
use
us
it.
another hint.
Maybe it's not what's in the letter that you're looking for, but what's not in the letter.
The freak.
Right.
Let's use a third hint.
One more hint?
Yeah, let's go.
We need one more hint.
Are any of the words missing anything?
Oh, some spelling errors.
Yeah, I don't think so. Your videos are so fun.
Notification. Notification. That's missing an I.
Whoa, okay.
So we carefully read through the letter and found more spelling errors.
What is it?
I got it.
Let's see it. I love you.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
I love you.
All right.
Well, the only question is,
What's
inside?
Oh, what's that?
It's a ring, bro.
Ooh, Hafu has a secret admirer out there.
If you're watching this video, leave your name down in the comments. Let's move on to the next one. This is level 90. Small but mighty.
Wow, I wonder who said that.
It's called the nut case, and our objective is to take the bolts out of the nuts and then put it back together. We have 2 hours. 2 hours to play with my nuts. Let's figure out all the moving parts. So
We can spin that.
yeah, we can spin this. Do you see the like line in the middle? So it looks like 2 different pieces. So what I'm thinking is there's like certain combinations where you can spin this ring that will unlock the inner pieces.
I give up.
What other techniques did we learn?
Farting on it?
What do you think? Does your Rubik's Cube knowledge come in handy? How can you give up so easily? Oh, I get it. I get it. You know how threads work, right? Threads work by like, it's like a spiral upwards. What we gotta do is, I think as we move it up, we gotta like move the threads with it so like it can spiral upward and like unscrew itself. Well, it turns out that didn't work, so we had to resort to... You wanna use a hint?
Let's do it, bro.
Can we get a hint?
The nuts need to be on opposite ends.
Okay.
They're on opposite ends, but what do we do from here? We give up.
Forfeit.
So the real solution is that you must first turn the nuts to opposite ends and then line them up in a specific spot to pull apart the bolts.
Okay.
What in the world?
Yeah, what I said is totally correct. Look at that. There are grooves on some of the sides, but flat on other sides.
We finally finished playing with your nuts.
We are now on level 100. This is a puzzle box, and it's basically like an escape room in a handheld box. There are 6 different sides, and we need to solve each side in order to open the box. There are so many moving parts here, and honestly, this is probably the most complex puzzle we've seen so far. And because we've used up so many hints, we only have 3 hints. The time limit is 4 hours.
4 hours.
That's how you know it's a hard puzzle.
So again, we started by examining every moving piece. But suddenly,
Oh,
You just solved the puzzle?
we're 1 out of 6 done.
Yep, next side.
since we have a ball and an exit hole, I think the goal is to move the ball from one end to the other. But the problem is when you turn these dials, they get stuck. So to unlock them, you have to turn multiple dials at once.
Oh, that should be easy. There you go. Then now you move the ball down.
Oh, maybe we have to drop into one of these holes and then we can solve this puzzle.
This definitely felt like one of the easier sides.
We move it up and then we move it down. And then we got it. We got
Yeah.
it here. And then
Oh, but now here.
it's
Let's go.
So our ball rolled in from the previous side, but is now blocked by this wooden gate. It looks like we have to find the correct combination to unlock this gate.
So there are a couple steps here. I think these represent the number. What are these arrows though?
Dude, my brain is fried, man.
If you want to get a girlfriend, you need good endurance.
Really?
Oh, got it. We just randomly move these tiles and onto the next side.
This side has knobs at the top and the bottom. I think there's a correct combination we gotta find.
Maybe, because there's 6 tiles here, right? So maybe this is the final level.
6 balls here, what does that do?
It seems like we gotta turn these dials so the ball is able to move freely at the bottom.
After staring at this one side for 10 minutes and making no progress, we decided to use our last 3 hints.
Yeah, let's use a hint.
Go back to the side, to this side.
Another hint.
Let the bottom line be your guide.
So what does that mean?
I don't know. Should we just get a hint?
No, we're not use a hint. Then we're gonna have no more hints.
Well, we're not gonna get through this.
Okay, you're right. Let's get another hint.
Try looking at the shape of the knobs.
I mean, they do have like different
Yeah, they-
indents at the top. The bottom has like 3 indents here, 2 indents there, 1 indent there. So 3 indents, 2 indents, 1 indent. And then there's this compass right here. And then I have to see which way this cutout is pointing to. That would be the plus. And then I have to find the same dial and then turn it to the plus. There we go.
We turned the rest of the knobs using the same logic.
Something's supposed to happen?
I think a ball, maybe. Oh, there we
Oh.
go. Got a ball.
Got an extra ball. Okay, so that side is done then.
We got 3 sides done.
We're halfway through.
It seems like, again, our goal is to move the ball from one end to the other. But this side is a lot more difficult because there are multiple layers we have to move through.
What do we gotta do? Bring the ball over here?
I would bring, yeah, let's go. This is what we're good at.
I'm bringing balls.
We're approaching 1 hour.
We got it here now.
Okay.
We're so close. Wait, guys. I got it. I got it. Look at that. The ball is now at the exit. This side is done. We only have 2 more sides.
Finally.
The ball from the previous side is now able to roll into the hole here. So we just have to figure out what to do with these 2 balls.
This puzzle seems relatively simpler, so
You see that ball, how it's like down here? What if we move the ball here? Because where else can we move this ball?
let's see what happens if I push up from here.
Oh!
That gives it a little bit more extra distance. So it unlocks the other ball.
So it looks like we have 2 slots and 2 balls. Now all we have to do is figure out how to get the balls in there.
That should be unlocked. Oh!
One more side. One more
last side.
So the 5th side unlocked a piece of wood with drawings on it. I think that might give us a clue on how to solve the final side and unlock this entire puzzle.
This. Back here again. These have patterns on them. Oh! Okay, wait. This says box go that way, box go that way, and then the inner sides go the other way. So basically, what it's saying to me, we gotta spin it. Oh, that worked.
Oh.
Oh.
Is this solved? We unlocked the box.
Oh, shoot. Here we go.
What's inside?
Oh.
What is this? What is it?
It's a spin top.
That's it?
Just a reminder that it's not about the puzzle. It's about the friends who made it along the way. Anything you learned about puzzles?
If you can't solve it, just spin it and hopefully it works.
The one trick to solving every single puzzle is first figure out all the moving components, and spinning sometimes will always work.
Subscribe!
And click here to watch another level 1 to 100 video, and click here to watch a video that YouTube thinks you'll love.